Welcome to part 2 of our adventure in Lo de Marcos.
Good morning. Hi, good puppies. Yeah, not even a bark.
No.
Good morning. Okay, let's go for a walk. Come on, let's go. Yes, hi guys. Hi. Good morning. Mr. Puppy Whisperer. Good morning. Hi. Yes, hi guys. Hi, good morning. Yes, hi. Full of licks and kisses. Good morning.
Bananas? Is this where we were?
Yeah. That's the one right across the street.
It's our 1-year anniversary.
Yay.
1 year since getting engaged anniversary. And we got engaged on Ambergris Key in Belize last year. And 1 year later, we're now in Lo de Marcos, Mexico.
Mexico.
Now we're sitting on this bench overlooking this beautiful swamp.
Cutting my head off with a surprise. Why don't you just turn the camera?
I know, you say this in so many videos.
No, hold it up like this. Check it out. And then, there you go. Yeah, nice. Hola.
You see the crocodile?
Not yet. We're looking.
We're
Big still.
Usually it's just the little island there in the sun.
Cool. Go right there. 2 of them. Nose up.
Yep.
3. Nose up. Get him. I'm looking through my screen. Yeah. Yeah, he just went up there.
Hey guys, we're in Lo de Marcos, Mexico, and we're actually staying at an RV park. We don't have an RV or a trailer, we're staying in a studio that's in an RV park.
Look at sexy swan.
Quit looking at me, Schwan.
Look at swan.
Here's our next place. In Lo de Marcos, we got a little studio, kitchenette, apartment. Nancy Miguel owned the place, yeah. And it's, we got full stove, fridge, microwave.
Greet you with beers.
They greeted us with some cold beers. And a little closet area, bathroom. I love an arch door. Looks so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, put your thumb out. I don't like this. Touch mine.
Touch tips.
There is a lot of retirees here. A lot of Canadians and Americans.
Manitoba, BC.
Yeah, we're seeing license plates from all over. You can see behind me. Just walking through the park here right now.
Going for little swimmies.
Yeah, we're gonna head down to the beach. That's right out in front. It's like 1 minute walking. Flip this around. Oregon license plate.
I'd love to hear somebody playing organ right now.
Hello. Are you an Oregon donor?
Was that an Oregon joke? Booch. Oh, look at him. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Get it.
I'm gonna take my shoes off. Oh, I just leave them here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Working out that sciatica. Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Buddy's swimming out there with a little life raft or a
buoy.
life buoy. Yeah.
Yeah, hardly anyone out here right now, but this morning when we came down here, there was tons and tons of pelicans. So we think there's a lot of fish in this little cove. Hey, bud.
Yeah, that's looking buggered up.
That's where we went for supper last night.
Yeah. Still got their vehicle parked there.
Oh, yeah.
You can definitely smell the fish though.
Yeah. We're having breakfast of champions. Pizza and beer. This is our real life.
For real. Just a little bit dirty, could use a wash.
Like, this is the cleanest bike I've seen.
It's browning, better be.
Yeah?
Should we park it by our place over there?
Yeah. We rented a bike, as you can see, and we are headed north of Los Marcos today to go and check out some different towns, some different sites.
Buddy, who's dragging steel?
Yeah. If you haven't seen part 1 of our adventure yet, please go back and watch that. As that is when we were in La Cruz de Huancasa at the Delta Riviera Nayarit. Let's go.
Should we jump it? Just
Nope.
kidding.
Not this time. Look at that motorcycle hair. We jumped off the bike at Rincon de GUYABITOS, I think this town is called. It's a bunch of different towns, like ALAYA and Pinita. But we drove through some beautiful homes. It looks like the Beverly Hills of this Mexican town here. And walked up out on this point to take in some views.
Checking out the memorial.
Yeah. And then Isla Coral in the distance, Coral Island. You can take some boat rides out there. It's a nature preserve and walk around. But it looks beautiful here and the sand looks really nice. And I would say better swimming. The waves are less treacherous here.
A few minutes later.
You please. How do you say sorry?
Lo siento.
He says we have to go to the office to pay. Get it.
So in a strange turn of events.
Pardon?
I said in a strange turn of events.
Yeah. You should be filming this.
I am.
Good.
We got pulled over because we turned left when it was safe to turn left. There was no red light, but we still got pulled over because it's apparently not allowed. And we didn't have helmets. And conveniently, he pulled us over right in front of the chop shop. So now that's where the bike sits. The cop would not let us pay him, would not let us go. The owner of the chop shop compound place is now driving us in his shitbox to the police office where we're supposed to pay our ticket, which he couldn't tell us how much it was going to be. I guess the secretary gets to make that choice. And then he's going to drive us back to the compound where hopefully our bike still sits in one piece. And we can drive back to Los Marcos. What a time. Baby?
Facts.
¿Cómo está?
See, I understood that.
Tenía miedo, pues. Tiene miedo ahí que se
What's up?
Now we're at the bank that we walked to from the police station. They originally wanted to charge us 7,500 pesos, which they just made up. They just make up an amount. And then he dropped it to 4,000, and now he's dropped it to 3,000. Like, again, it's horseshit.
There, but solo retiro.
Okay.
Six and a half hours later.
What an afternoon that we've had.
It was fun.
We're back in Lo de Marcos. We ripped the bike home after our whole excursion, you could call it. Changed our outfits because we thought, well, we did give the police our real address, which, you know, I would vote against that in the future. And pro tip for anyone, if you get pulled over in Mexico, just give them a fake address, like in the next town. I thought about doing it, but then, I don't know why I didn't. Anyway, after escaping the compound, which you will have seen a clip of Chad ripping through the gate and then me trying to follow him, pushing the door open, yeah, we just pinned it. 17 kilometers home.
That bitch is lucky I didn't kick the gate in.
Yeah, it could have ended a lot worse, to be honest. But we were giving the compound guy 40 pesos. It's all we had. And we're like, oh, let's just give him this for being nice and driving us to the cop shop and back. And then he was not grateful. He started demanding us 100 pesos, which we didn't have. So then, you know, shit started to kick off a little bit. Same with his wife. They were getting angry. And so were we. Anyway, we're back. Everyone's safe and sound. The cops got their cut.
No one got punched out.
Yeah. No one got punched out. But that was, oh yeah, now we're just at this little tequila, waiting for some cold beers, and we're gonna have some birria tacos. And in my experience, anytime that you come to a place that has, like, plastic chairs, it's gonna be great.
¿De birria?
Sí.
Ok.
Gracias.
Mira, sí, acá es salsitas y
Sí.
verduritas.
Por favor, gracias.
Yeah, it was a bomb.
Birria tacos. I'm not sure what this place is called, but I was saying, anytime that you rock up to a little place and there's plastic chairs outside on the sidewalk, that usually means it's gonna be great.
Mira qué hay.
Oh,
Ooh.
sí.
Deja traer una cucharita.
Perfect.
Gracias.
Probably gonna get us a little bowl.
Yeah.
Little guac here.
Or is that green sauce? Not
Ooh.
guac. Yeah, it might
You
be
think
spicy.
so?
Green sauce, yeah.
¿Y de qué? Y la salsita.
Amazing.
Nice.
Thank you.
Gracias. What do you want?
Oh, we'll probably just try it all.
I'm gonna try this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Here come our cold beers.
Tacos are hot. Little cilantro that I don't like. Onion. Yeah.
Tu nombre?
Me llamo Iván Alexander
Alexander?
Peña Cámara.
Oh, there's your change.
Gracias, Alex.
Thank you so much, Alexander.
What's your name?
Chad.
Char?
Chad, yeah.
Char.
Yeah.
Caitlin.
Caitlin?
Yeah. See?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You too.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for getting us these.
Hi.
Excellent, excellent. Let's eat, drink. What a psycho.
Okay. Like, look at the architecture, how they have.
Yeah, grooves in them
Yeah.
for rainwater.
No, that's what held the dirt and concrete it originally.
Oh.
Gave it shelter. These stairs are full. They put little stones in vertical like that and then pack the dirt in between so they don't wash away.
How do you know?
I can see it with my own eyes.
Oh.
I have 2 of them.
So we came out to more of a private beach just south of Lo de Marcos. We took the bike out here. And we're gonna hang out here for the day. There's maybe like 7 people on the beach right now, which is perfect. Rapido?
Rapido.
What's that?
Vida?
What's that?
Got it.
Oh, Provido. Provida. How do you say private in Spanish? Not sure. Anyway, found these old stairs, I guess, but I'm gonna have to pay attention going down. Yeah.
Sorry. That's pretty good.
Holy.
Tell me that's
I know.
not a chemtrail.
I know. I was looking at it too. Looks more obvious down here.